This video covers AT&T Fiber versus Air Internet services. Choosing the right internet provider can transform your online experience with faster speeds or wider coverage without the frustration of slow or unreliable connections. Both options offer unique benefits. AT&T Fiber and Air are two distinct internet service options. Fiber delivers high-speed internet through fiber optic cables, while Air relies on fixed wireless technology to provide internet access. The core difference lies in their delivery methods, influencing speed, reliability, and availability. AT&T Fiber is a high-speed internet service that uses fiber optic cables to transmit data as pulses of light. This technology allows for extremely fast upload and download speeds, often reaching gigabit levels, making it ideal for bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming, gaming, and remote work. Fiber's infrastructure provides low latency and consistent performance even during peak usage times. However, its availability is limited to areas where fiber cables have been installed, which may exclude some rural or less densely populated regions. Installation typically requires professional setup, but ensures a stable, wired connection directly to your home or business. Ideal users are those who prioritize speed, reliability, and symmetrical upload-download rates, such as gamers, content creators, and households with multiple connected devices. While fiber may come at a premium price compared to other services, the performance benefits often justify the costs for demanding users. Air Internet Service provides connectivity through fixed wireless technology, transmitting data via radio signals between a nearby antenna and a receiver at your location. This setup allows for quicker deployment compared to fiber, especially in areas lacking wired infrastructure. Air excels in offering internet access to rural or hard-to-reach locations where laying cables is impractical or costly. Speeds can be quite competitive, though generally lower and less consistent than fiber, as wireless signals are subject to interference from weather, physical obstructions, and network congestion. Latency may also be higher, impacting real-time applications like online gaming or video conferencing. Installation is typically faster and less invasive, often involving mounting an antenna on your property. Ideal users include those in underserved or remote areas who need reliable internet without waiting for fiber rollout. While Air may not match fiber's peak performance, it provides a valuable alternative where wired options are unavailable or cost prohibitive. Comparing AT&T Fiber and Air highlights key trade-offs. Fiber offers unmatched speed, low latency, and reliability, perfect for urban or suburban users with heavy internet demands. In contrast, Air provides broader coverage in rural or remote areas where fiber isn't available, delivering decent speeds with faster installation. For example, a family streaming 4K content and working from home benefits from fiber's consistent bandwidth, while a remote cabin user gains internet access through Air without waiting for cable installation. Fiber's wide connection resists weather disruptions, whereas Air's wireless signals can fluctuate with environmental factors. Cost-wise, fiber might be higher but justifies the premium with superior performance, while Air is often more affordable and accessible. Choosing between them depends on your location, speed needs, and budget. AT&T Fiber is recommended for users seeking top-tier speed, low latency, and reliability, especially in areas where fiber infrastructure is already established. Air Internet Service is ideal for those in rural or underserved areas needing quick, affordable access without fiber availability. Selecting between AT&T Fiber and Air ultimately depends on your location and internet demands, ensuring the best fit for your connectivity needs.